Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Really appreciate you viewing the videos. Last video was more of an entertaining type of video where we scared the you-know-what out of my 70-year-old stepmom. If you haven't had a chance to view that one, it's really funny. Check it out and you'll get a kick out of it. It's only a minute and a half long, so not too tough of a watch. Anyway, today's purpose is to unbox and review the Akaso V50 4K Ultra HD sport camera. You'll see it's waterproof up to 98 feet. It's really a good value. From the reviews I read, it was on par with the latest GoPro Hero. Obviously, you're gonna sacrifice some things at this price point, which was about $120, $130, but overall good value. My intent is to use the camera to create some more really great content with the cars. I did buy the GoPro Hero suction cup, which is rated up to 150 miles per hour, so we'll have to check that out and do some cold starts and some full sends with that thing on. Anyway, without further ado, we'll go ahead and move to the unboxing. So in the first purchase, I bought a little SD card, 64 gigs. I bought the GoPro suction cup mount. This was really highly reviewed, and apparently it'll stay on a car up to 150 miles per hour. So we'll have to do a test of that too in Mexico, obviously not in the States. And then here's the Akaso. It's the V50 Pro, so you can kind of see some of the specs right here. Touchscreen's nice, image stabilization, and here's some of the specs as well. Waterproof up to 98 feet. I don't intend to go further than that. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put this camera down and then we can take a peek inside. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this opened using this handy razor blade. We will get some of the box off and then I'll turn the camera back on. I've been at this for a few minutes. The packaging is really miserable. I'd have to deduct a little bit for how difficult it is to remove this. So I'm probably gonna have to destroy the packaging to get it off. It's literally glued after you slice through it with a razor blade, it's glued all through here and not easy to get off. So I'm going to go ahead and start destroying this. Let's go ahead and continue with removing this part of the packaging. And let's see. This is definitely not Apple caliber packaging, that's for sure. It's more like magician caliber packaging. There we go. Okay, so let's see what we got in here. Nice USB to micro, a remote. Looks like a battery charger of sorts, or a battery actually. Some kind of bracket, another bracket, a wristband, another bracket, cleaning cloth and some zip ties. This is a bicycle mount. Very cool. Another bracket, maybe an adapter. This might be a clip of some sort. This is the tool that I need to remove the camera from any kind of mount we put it on, including this box. Here's a swivel mount, a 360 swivel mount, very cool. This is an adapter of sorts to go with it. And another battery, excellent. Okay, and then we have instructions inside. Very cool. It's a quick reference guide. And free accessories, nice. Okay, let's go ahead and take the camera off of the box. Go ahead and use our tool. And we shall remove. Got it. It's tight. Snap of my fingers, the camera will be off of the box. Ta-da! Okay, so here's the camera, and we're going to go ahead and get it set up. Now the case is open. Now we take the camera out. There you go, it's out. Okay, let's take off this cover. More plastic here, the lens, and there you go. It's very light. Button quality is very nice. Here's the inputs. Go ahead and get a battery in here and format the SD card, and we will get some video to show you guys. All right, here's some content from the Akaso. Allegedly 4K quality, that's that. And I also show some video of this suction cup to, I believe I'm gonna do it to the M5, since we haven't done a ton of content driving with that. Go ahead and open up this GoPro suction cup. This is nice packaging. Very cool. Huge suction cup, jeez. Can't quite get this. There we go. Part of the mounting system. More of the mounting system. And the arm for the mounting system. So I'm guessing that, I guess I don't want to do too much guessing, but let me read up on this and I will explain to you how this mounts, because I've seen a lot of folks use them. I've never seen them put together and how they work, so this could be kind of interesting. Well, you fasten this to the car, and my choice was to put it on the window because putting it on the paint, it just isn't going to get as good a seal, in my opinion, from some of the tutorials I've seen. And frankly, I tried putting it on the paint and it just didn't go so well. So what you do is you clean the underside of the suction cup, which I've already done, just with I used plain water, a damp paper towel, and then I also went and I cleaned this part of my back window. Then what you do is you lift this tab up right here, and you set it here, and you push this button, press down, and then you lock it on. All I did was I pushed that down, so now it is on there solid. To remove, just the opposite, very easy. Pull here, kind of push down there, and lift on that tab right there. Boom, that's it. Let's go for a ride.